You know, I talk about bundling or listening to multiple subliminals together in a lot of my videos. Now, I understand people don't have time maybe to watch the entire 20 or 30-minute video, so I wanted to make this video in under 10 minutes to really explain how you can properly bundle. Now, you know, I'm not saying this to top myself up, just for you new people know I'm not just some guy off of the street, right, that's waving a for sale sign just to get people to come in, right, or a used car salesman, right? Unfortunately, there's a lot of used car salesmen that are really clever nowadays on YouTube. But I have had the privilege to listen to subliminal affirmations for over 3 years now, and this last year make over 350 myself. Now, when I say 3 years, I was bundling 5 to 10 subliminals every single day. Over the last 3 years, I believe I missed approximately 10 days to about 13 or 14 days of listening. And some days I would go 8 hours straight. Now, as a subliminal creator's, awareness after making around, I believe, 350, 360, it's really not about the numbers, but you get the point.